In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up a CSAT or Customer Satisfaction Survey in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, simply go to the top right on Support and then from the drop-down menu, click on Admin Center. From here, you would be redirected to a new tab where you can access the admin center of your Zendesk account. From the left panel, go to Objects and Rules, and once you scroll down, click on Customer Satisfaction under Business Rules. This is where you can see your CSAT results, and this is also where you can edit your Customer Satisfaction Survey. Simply click right here on Edit Survey. As you can see, this is where you can choose the questions or write in the questions. You can even put the scale range of each question and the scale type, whether by emoji, custom text, or for numerical. You can set up for the positive and negative ratings. The label could be optional, so it would be up to you. And of course, you can add follow-up questions that can either be drop-down questions or open-ended questions. Once you're done with this, simply click on save. And that's it. You have now set up your customer satisfaction survey in Zendesk. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.